Hello, Shark Gamers. We are back in the hardcore world. Now, as you guys remember, in the last episode, do we have any fucking blocks to block this? Cobblestone will do. As you guys remember in the last episode, we found cave spiders. And that's like not good. And second of all, I don't want to die. And my pickaxe is about to break. Okay, I need blocks. Dude, will this even do? No, jeez. Break already, come on. I don't think they can fit through one block. No, I'm pretty sure they cannot. Okay, so now I can break the spawner. Actually, I'm gonna put the torch there and get that back. Now I can break. Oh, we did. Okay. Look at them. Oh, gee. Okay, they cannot fit, right? Dude. I hate these cave spiders. Dude, I hate them. I hate them. Because they poison you. And, oh, Jesus Christ. The splits? Serious? Dude, I think there's another spawner. No! Where? Dude, leave. No. Food. Eat. No. Please. Please don't. Good thing that poison cannot kill you. Okay. I'm gonna grab some of the train tracks. I'm leaving. Bye. I am gonna come back later. Alright. I am back. I'm gonna eat. So we're back at our hardcore world. We didn't die, of course. Because if we would die, it would be the end. Guys, like how... So like, if I would die, it would be the end. So like, don't think I died. Alright, so I'm just gonna make my house good. Until like... No, wait. What am I doing? Give me that and give me some of that. I'm gonna make some chesters. I'm gonna make like 5 chesters, I guess that would be enough. Alright. I guess we can put 64 in there. And all here. So, there. Now, I'm gonna get my chest. Alright, so we have one more chest, which I don't know where to put it. So I guess I'll go, I don't know. Actually, it can be here. Because I think we should make a roller coaster. What do you think, guys? Should a roller coaster be a good idea? I'm gonna say, yeah. Okay, we need more train tracks to end it. Or should I just end it there? Yeah, I should just end it there. Boom. And boom. Come on, guys. Let's ride this. Woohoo! Okay, it's not going fast. Definitely. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I would break it one time when I used like to do some stuff or that, like that. So anyways, guys, I have like bones, so I'm thinking we should just get our dog. Like I have 20 bones, so let's get a dog, guys. So as you guys remember in the last episode, we saw a dog. And we tried to capture him so he can stay in our house and we can not lose him. And apparently, I don't know where he went. I don't know where he went. Maybe he went in the forest? Maybe? I think he went in the forest. Did he? I don't think so. Or he can. Doggy! 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 I see you. Tamed. Please, come on. Ooh, you a doggy! Okay, guys, so we have our own dog. Okay, so we got a dog. Any other dogs? Any more dogs? We got a dog in hardcore. I can't believe it. We have a dog in hardcore. Okay, we got a dog. Everybody, we got a dog. What should I name you? What should I name you? What should I name you, huh? I don't know, but just come for me. I definitely need to think of a name. So, like, we can name him? I need to think of a name. I think... Shark Dog? Shark Dog? Should it be Shark Dog? Nah, not Shark Dog. Okay, will he literally attack the sheep? Will he? Will he? He won't. Okay. So... Okay, I'm gonna eat real quick. Alright, so apparently... Dude, there's a freaking creeper. Stop. Stupid creeper. Literally. Oh my god. Spiders, really? Alright. Attack! Actually, you can't attack him. Chicken? Attack! Dude, everybody's dying. Attack! Is he gonna attack him? He did it! Good boy! Good boy! Okay, sit. Die. Stand up. Alright, so we got our very own dog in hardcore. Isn't that just beautiful, guys? Attack him, doggy! Attack him! Are you gonna attack him? What would you? What the? Oh my god, he just went straight into a hole for a skeleton? Well, I mean, he is made out of bones. Come on, I'm pretty sure you will attack him. He already died? Are you serious? Anything so I can like hit him and yeah. You. Attack him. Nice. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, so this is where the dog is gonna be. Now I'm sorry guys, I'm not gonna let you name this dog. I'm gonna name this dog about myself, but the next dog if I'm gonna get, I'll let you guys name it. Anyways guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you can never miss a video from me. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.